Ano, magluluto ako daw. I will cook steak. Papa G will teach me how to cook steak. In the Ninja. Okay. We are cooking that fine tomatoes. And we have, what is this, Daddy? Ribeye steak. Yummy, yummy. Hot tummy. Salt and pepper. And then we've got some asparagus there. And we'll have that filled with wine later on. It's cooking. And the Ninja is warming up.
You hear the sea salt?
So how long are we gonna put this ribeye in the Ninja?
Probably 6 minutes one side.
6 minutes. 6 minutes each side. Okay, so what's that? Air crisp setting. That's how we want it cooking. Should I put the lid on? Why is it on 13 minutes then? 13. 13? Yeah. Oh, it's just gonna watch it. That's our side. And that too. Potato wedges and some garlic bread. I like that boy. You think I must say? Lovely. Look at that. Add some rioca.
Kapag na siya, magdamay.
Yummer.